If you're a web designer and you just finished designing your Figma templates, here are 11 checklists you need to go through before you submit your templates on the Figma marketplace. Number 1, test all links and buttons. Always test all buttons in your template, making sure each button has a link and the link should go to the desired place for its intended purpose. The easiest way to check is to identify every element in your template that has a click effect, then verify if it's linked to somewhere and whether if it's linked to the right place. 2. Verify image. Make sure all images in your template are of high quality and none of the image you use should be copyrighted. Ensure all images are free. You can get free images from Umblash, Perseus, Unsplash, and Freepik. Also, make sure all your images has an alt text describing what that image is all about. 3. Test responsiveness. Preview your template after you're done on desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure it's fully responsive. Ensure there are no overlapping elements on any breakpoints. Also, make sure every text in your template has a text style attached to it, and each text style should have a breakpoint size for every screen in the template. 4. Confirm CMS data bounding. If you use CMS, ensure every CMS collection in your template is bound properly. Make sure every new item that is added to the CMS is reflected well on the template, and also every CMS item should link back to the right CMS slug. Number 5. Verify accessibility tags. Ensure all frames in your template have the appropriate tags attached to it. Header should have a header tag, navigation should have a navigation tag, button should have a button tag, footer should have a footer tag, sections should have a section tag. Any frame inside the section should have a div tag. Ensure no frame in your template misses a proper tag attached to it. Number 6. Test loading speed. View your template live and make sure it does not load slow. Use tools like PageSpeed to check if your template's loading speed is low. Try as much as possible to score at least 98% on PageSpeed. By doing that, you can just look at all the problems the PageSpeed shows you on why your template is slow, and then you can try to fix those problems so that your template might be fast. Number 7. Ensure consistent styling. Ensure that your template design style is consistent across the whole website. Ensure that your padding, gap, radius are all consistent. Make sure to use text style for all text and color styles for all colors. And don't use too many text styles and too many color styles so that your template will be consistent across the whole website. Number 8. Validate functionality. If you have any functional element like a form or a waitlist for your templates, make sure to test it yourself and make sure that the form or the waitlist work properly. Make sure that the form has a thank you display that will show after the user have clicked on it, and make sure all the labels are properly spelled and very visible for the user to see. Number 9. Inspect transitions and animation. Make sure every animation and transition in your template works perfectly. Make sure there are no glitches. And also, if you use an animation or a transition in your template, make sure to remove it on the mobile version so that your template will not be rejected for that particular use. Number 10. Preview the assets panel. Before you submit your template on the marketplace, go to the asset panel and delete every component, every code, every color styles, and every text style that you are not using in the template. Only leave the ones that you use in the template so that your template will not be rejected by the marketplace. 11. Add a refund guarantee. If your template is a paid template and you want to submit it on the Figma marketplace, obviously you will use either a Lemon Squeezy account or a Gumroad account or a Polar account. Anyone you use, make sure you add a refund guarantee on the checkout page. because if Framer review your template and they go to your checkout place and they did not see any refund guarantee there, they will reject your template for that particular reason.